Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how to make cool pictures for free using Microsoft Bing Create. This is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate images based on text prompts. To get started, you'll need a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account using your Gmail, email, or GitHub account. Once you're logged in, go to the Bing Create page. You can find the link in the video description, and click the Join and Create button. From there, you can start typing in your prompt. This can be anything you want, like a cat wearing a hat, or a spaceship flying through space. Once you've typed in your prompt, click the Create button and wait for the process to complete. Bing Create will give you 4 different images based on your prompt. If you want to try something different, you can click the Surprise Me button to generate a random prompt. And that's it. Bing Create is really easy to use and you can make some really cool images with it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.